hungry. Yes, and over my for food. They're so slippery and slidey.
Are they?
Ah, teetees. Oh, I don't want.
Here you go.
Oops, you're right.
Look, on your boots.
Yeah?
Look, on the boot. What's happening, Mimi?
Ah. That's what Amy is.
They haven't found that stuff on the other boot. I'll get there. Oh, found it.
Yes. You hold the hand. You got things.
Oh, look.
Oh, round your toes, look. Slippery eels.
Can I please, after you can catch off
Look at the slippery, slidey eels. That's pretty hard case, isn't it?
Yeah, so
But
fun.
you've never done that before.
Always a bit stinky.
Yeah,
No.
it is a bit stinky, but they like it.
Yeah, I don't care.
Do you think eels are pretty cool, Mimi?
Yeah. But then I have a catch off one.
Oh, I don't know.
I don't think so.
Just in case they think your fingers might be food.
Yeah, I wouldn't put my fingers in there.
They're not really petable.
Yeah,
They're not really cuddly.
yeah, sometimes.
How do you